Jai Gurudev children. Today we are going to read a Panchatantra story titled as The Wise Gander. In a jungle was a big tree. On the tree lived some geese and a wise old gander. One day the gander saw a tiny creeper at the bottom of the tree. It looked pretty, but the gander was not happy to see it there. Do you see that tiny creeper at the bottom of our home? He asked the geese. It's pretty, but not good for us. What harm can a creeper do? Asked the geese. The creeper will soon reach the top of the tree. With its help, someone can climb up and lay a trap for us. Cut it while it's small, said the gander. Cut it? Oh no, we cannot do that. It is such a pretty little thing, cried some of the geese. Others said, it is so tiny. There is still time for it to grow. We will cut it later. Months passed. The geese soon forgot about the creeper and what the gander had said. The creeper grew bigger and climbed up the tree. One day, while the geese had gone out to get food, a hunter came there. He climbed the tree with the help of the creeper and laid a trap among the branches. What's a trap? Trap is a thing used to catch animals or birds. When the geese returned, they settled down in their nests and they were all caught in the trap. They remembered the wise gander's words and began to cry. They said to the gander, "We are sorry that we did not obey you. Please save us now." The kind old gander forgave them. He said, "When the hunter comes, lie quietly without moving and pretend to be dead. He has no use for the dead geese. He will free you from the trap. Then you can fly away." In the morning, when the hunter came, he thought the geese were dead. "What? All of them dead?" he said. "What will I do with dead geese?" He slowly freed all the geese and threw them on the ground. Suddenly, the geese rose and flew away into the sky. The hunter rubbed his eyes in surprise and looked again. But all the geese had escaped thanks to the wise old gander. Children, what do you learn from this story? This story tells us obedience is a virtue that all of us must possess. Obedience means to do what our parents, teachers, and elders tell us to do. They have more experience and maturity. Their guidance and support is very, very important for us. Children, keep reading. Jai Gurudev.